Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have another original unboxing for you. It came in this guy. It's a fat guy, but a skinny one. From SugarMuses Deluxe for January. Get right into it. If I can open it. What is going on? It's really... Here we go. It's really in there good. Yeah. Oh, goodness. And this is what it looks like. We have our paperwork. And our pretty paper this month looks like a pretty ivy. Or no, I'm sorry, holly. Very pretty. All right. So the theme for Sugar Muses is, Witch of the Woods, celebrating in bulk. Witch of the Woods. And then you can see, looks like Bridget in there in the paperwork. I'm hoping you guys can see that. That is so nice. Excuse me. My voice is still not totally back. I don't know if it ever will be. But we have this beautiful, I would think this is Bridget, but isn't that really pretty? Dear, very pretty. So we have that, and we have this pretty candle with in bulk. Very, very pretty. So two pretty book of shadow sheets. And our pretty paper. And then this is what it looks like if I turn the paper over. So right on top we have our in bulk offering. Pretty in bulk offering. And then here we have Sacred Space Spell Kit. In bulk offering, Angelica powder, green candle, and an oracle card. Black bag. It says the spell on it. So let's give this an open so we can see what's in the spell kit. Okay. So in this bag we have an oracle card. That's mine, so I guess everybody will get something different. A pretty green metallic chime. Angelica powder. And then the offering is the in bulk offering on the side over there. And there's no spell in there, so I guess it's in the paperwork. We will find where the spell is. All right. Let's see what else we have. All right. So right on top, we have this pretty little beeswax candle in like an ivory color. It's delightful. And then we have Cleanse and Clear Organic Herbal Tea. And look at the color of this bag. I love it. It blends so pretty. Isn't that pretty with the handles on the side of the label? So pretty. The packaging makes it so nice. And we have our throwaway tea bag. Let's see what else we got in here. We have in bulk ritual salt in a pretty green bag as well. This one's got the Bridget. Very pretty. What is in here? Ooh, I'm digging deep, guys, digging deep. We have a beautiful black sachet tied with a perfect bow. And we have a rough tree agate. Very pretty. Tree agate. Look at the pretty. We have A brown jewelry box. Ooh. We have a beautiful silver chain, which it could be stainless, with a beautiful, which I know this is definitely stainless and thick. Look how thick that is. Heavy duty. Bridget's cross. That is so pretty, guys. So, so pretty. The detail. Wow. That is beautiful. And what else we got? Then we got this here. Wonder what's in this big box. We got some bubbly peanuts. I have no idea. Let's see. What is this? Whoa. That is cool. It's got trees and a deer. And it's a pretty, it's like snow. Can I see that? With a dome. And it has lights. But I think it needs batteries. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. It needs triple A batteries. I want to see what it looks like lit up. Because it has lights in there. So it's going to look really pretty. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. And different. We also have a bubble. I think my dog went up there. Did you run up the stairs, Looney? What are you doing? What are you doing? Beautiful. Witch of the Woods. Look at that. Witch of the Woods ritual oil. Look at this pretty bottle. Just so beautiful. Wow, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. What are you doing? You watching what I'm doing? You being nosy? Ah, we have two. I only found one so far, but now we have two beeswax candles. And I think that's everything. Usually we get incense, but there's no incense sticks. Just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. All right. Let's see. Witch of the Woods. All right, so. In bulk ritual salts. Check. Witch of the Woods ritual oil. Beautiful. Snow scene in clock glass dome that lights up. White beeswax candles, 2. Sacred Space spell kit. Raw tree agate. This beautiful piece. In bulk offering. Cleansing tea. The Bridget cross necklace, which I am in love with. And the in bulk art cards, Bridget art card. An intuitively drawn oracle, which is in the spell kit. All right. In less than a month, we celebrate in bulk. Most commonly held on February 1st to the 2nd, sundown. Based on the Celtic tradition, Imbolc was meant to mark the halfway point between winter solstice and the spring equinox. The holiday is celebrated by Wiccans and other practitioners of neo-pagan influence paths. Also known as the Festival of Light, Imbolc heralds the return of nature's bounty. The earth is stirring underground, and even though the ground may still be covered with snow and frost, if you look carefully, you will find evidence of growth. The word Imbolc means belly of the mother, because the seeds of spring are beginning to stir in the belly of the Mother Earth. Since it's climate-specific holiday, some followers adjust their celebration to the correspondence with the date more appropriate to the coming of spring where they live. Others embrace the symbolism of the holiday and keep February 1st celebration. The goddess Bridget is central to the celebration of modern practitioners. Bridget is the goddess of fertility, growth, creativity, healing, and oversee of pottery, crafts, and prophecy. In tradition of original Celtic festival, Wiccan groups that worship Bridget may include fire rituals on Imbolc. Celebrating Imbolc can be done in numerous ways, from spring cleaning your home to be clearing the mind and heart to allow inspiration to enter for a new cycle. Okay. Spell energy work to do at this time includes spells to enhance creativity, ritual cleansing, such as purifying bath, or using your besom in cleansing rituals. It's also a great time to light candles to welcome back the sun and to review your intentions set for the new year. Deities are Bridget, Athena, Diana, Selene, and Vesta. And then she goes into different things, colors, correspondence of Imbolc. And then the second beautiful page here goes into how you can use the items. You don't have to use them this way. You can use them any way you choose. So, the Witch of the Woods ritual oil contains notes of sweet orange, cranberries, crisp winter air, juniper berries, and an almond base. Shake gently before use. You can use it on your pulse points. Ritual oils are a powerful means of dedicating yourself and your magical components. You can do that as well. You can anoint your candles, spell items, altar tools, whatever you choose. The snow scene in the clock-class dome, winter wonderland of trees and deer adorned with tiny lights in a snow globe-like environment. Dome is sealed to keep the snow inside. I suggest placing it in the center of your altar between the two candles, and it requires 3 AAA batteries. The white beeswax candles. Bridget will grant you 3 wishes, 1 for each of her aspects. Make a wish. Good for others as you light the first candle. Make the second wish for a friend or a partner as you light the second candle. Very cool. Sacred spell kit. She has here and what to do in the spell kit right in the paperwork here. So if you get this box, you have your spell right here in the paperwork. Green spell candle, which is in our spell kit, represents regrowth, nature manifesting. Angelica powder is frequently used for protection, healing, divination, and prosperity, luck, and hex breaking. The raw tree agate. In days gone by, Imbolc was also the time to collect magical stones and crystals that help heal and protect for the forthcoming year. These stones could be placed on your magical altar or sacred space, or keep on you as well in a spell bag. Excuse me. The Imbolc offering, anoint with some ritual oil and place in a small bowl and leave on your altar. It contains basil, chamomile, heather, and raspberry leaf. The cleansing oracle tea. Obviously, you can use that during your ritual or after for grounding. The beautiful Bridget cross necklace is cross woven from rushes, 4 arms tied at the end, and meeting in a woven pattern square in the center. Traditionally, they were displayed over the door of a house to ward off evil. The tradition marks beginning of spring. When you receive a Bridget's cross and invoke the goddess Bridget to bless it with her fiery light, you will be in possession of a powerful protection talisman. Place it in the front door and keep your home safe, or wear it to cast the shield of protection around you. Lead-free, zinc-free, made out of fine alloy. Our beautiful prints. Beautiful. And the intuitively drawn oracle card is from the Botanical Inspirations. What do you think of the box? I think it's perfect for in bulk. I love how she included this awesome item to represent still the winter time and the light of returning of the light. I love this. This is really pretty with the 2 candles next to it on the altar. I love that. The necklace is amazing. And I love all her perfume oils because they're always so beautiful with the labeling. And of course, her book Shadows, I always love that. Let me know, guys, what you think as well. So this is the first for January for my SugarMuses Deluxe. I'll leave the information down below. And thank you guys for watching and have a blessed in bulk.